our next spot is Shibuya Crossing. Now this is one of the spots famous in Tokyo. Why? Because it's the busiest crossing in the world, pedestrian crossing. They say during peak time, at a maximum between 2,500 3,000 people cross once in one go. So that's why this pedestrian crossing is famous in the world. They say it's the busiest crossing in the world. So we are going to that area right now, the Shibuya Crossing. So let's. So we are heading towards Shibuya Crossing. You can see there is a crowd. Big crowd is there. Stalls वाला कराता है. So here we are. You can see the crowd waiting for crossing. We should go there and then cross the middle crossing. अनन्या हात पकडा. मी थकली बिचारी.
नाही बसूया हे झालं कुठेतरी जरा.
3, 2,